Hello lovelies, welcome back. Watch how I achieve this simple noodles recipe so you don't miss out from this video. I added in some vegetable oil. I added in egg, 2 eggs. I'll just fry until it is cooked. I'll remove it and set aside. I added in onion, leg, carrot, green pea, spring onion. I gave it a good mix. I added the seasoning and the pepper from the noodles pack. I sprinkled some salt. I stir again together. Now I will add in soy sauce. I will add in the noodles. For those of you always coming to watch my videos, like my videos, share my videos, I really appreciate your love and support. May the good Lord bless you all. Keep supporting, keep sharing, keep subscribing. So what I did, I added oil and I sprinkled some salt. I like to cook, so I'll give it a good mix. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a member of the family. Turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload, you will be notified. Feel free to also check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. So now I will just give it a good mix. Help me to share this video. So this is the outcome, guys. Enjoy. Bye. Next one.